Today's date is 3rd Feb 2022. Today's topic is inheritance in Java. What is inheritance? Inheritance is a mechanism which one object acquires all properties or behavior of the parent object is called as a inheritance. Uh, Inheritance, uh, the one base class and the second is a derived class. Then derived class extend the properties of the base class. This is the inheritance. Then inheritance, there are multiple types in inheritance. First is a single inheritance, second is a multi-level inheritance, third is a hierarchical inheritance, and fourth is a multiple inheritance, fifth is a hybrid inheritance. In Java, on the basis of class, we execute the only single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. We using the multi-level, multiple, and the hybrid inheritance we can execute by using an interface in a Java. Then this in a class, the multiple inheritance is not supported right now. Then single inheritance, in a single inheritance, one base class and the second is a derived class. Then also base class called as a parent class also, and the derived class also called as a child class or a subclass, and the parent class and super class. Then the child class extend the properties of the parent class or a super class in a child class, and then the child class access all the properties and behavior of the parent class in our own class. Then this is the single inheritance. Second is a multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, the one is a base class, then the derived is a derived second class, and this derived class is also as a base class of another class. Then this is a chain, like one base class, then another is a intermediate class, and then next third is a derived class. This is the multi-level inheritance. One by one we create a multiple extend the multiple child class on the another one base class. Then the next is a hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, one is a base class, and then extend the properties of the base class in a multiple derived class, like one or two, then the multiple more than two base derived class. One is a parent class, and then second is a one child class, or then one another child class also. Then the syntax of the inheritance in Java is a class, then the subclass name, extend, and the superclass name, and curly open and closing the curly braces. In the curly braces we have the inheritance body. Then extend keyword is used to extend the properties of the parent class in a child class. That's why we use extend keywords in Java. Then the example of inheritance is one is a parent class, then the second derived class is a child class called. Then we use the class, then child class, extend, parent class. This is the syntax or example of the inheritance. Then multi-level inheritance, we use the one is a bird class, then next is a parrot in a bird, extend the properties of the bird in a parent class and parrot class, and this parrot class extend the property in baby parent class. This is the multi-level class one by one, and the hierarchical in one base class and the multiple derived class we use. This all about the inheritance in Java. And thank you.